Hello guys, good morning. How are you doing? My name is Adedapo Michael Sunday, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can do your sales adverts. And the other time, you can collect a work from your client. You can get a work from your client and help them to do a sales advert, and you get your home money. So I'll be teaching you how to do it step by step, and I will show you. Let me show you the example of the one I did yesterday, so you can know how it look like. And I can assure you people will pay you for it. Let me show you the example of the one I did yesterday. It's on my status. Now you can check it. Now this is so today we'll be going into how you can design your sales advert, and without wasting much of our time, please let me pick this call. I'm sorry, it was my pastor that called me. Now I'll be teaching you how to go about it now, and for this purpose of this tutorial there's a lot of apps you can use. There's a lot of two app I love to use rather, but I've not used the second one because when I tried to download it, it's not working on my phone. So but that second one was the one I know very well, because that was the one I enrolled for the training. But for the purpose of this training, I'll be using another app which I called Marketing Video Maker. It's a marketing video maker. Now without wasting much of our time on this training, let's go straight. This is the app here. You can see it here, Marketing Video Maker. You click on it. So once you click on it, it will load. I'll give him some minutes to load. It's loading. Now just skip on this. Just skip this one. So once you skip it, it should take you to this place. Now if you want to, maybe for example you want to do a beauty store, you can pick on this one, this nice advert. Maybe you want to do an for hairstyle, you can pick on this one. But most of the time everything is not free. These are pro. Then you will see pro. Can you see pro here? Which means this one is not for free, it's premium, you will pay for it. This one is not for free, it's premium, you will pay for it. Likewise this one. So without wasting much of our time, and I want to design a particular sales advert for my boss. So it's my boss, it's my teacher, it's my everything. In fact, it was the one that even gave me the course. So I want to design it for him. He told me to design one for him. So that is why I will be using it as a training, as in for this purpose of this training. I will be using that one as a training. So without wasting much of our time, let me go to data marketing. So that is what I will be using. That is the template I will be using. You can use anyone. You can see a lot of templates here. You can see for art, for home decoration, for jewelry, for beauty, a lot for spa, automotive, business and finance. I pick my template from here. This business and finance. This is the template I use to design my website. The first template. This is the one. Second one. This is the one I use for my website. But I'm not. This is not where I'm going. I'm going to somewhere. I'm going to digital marketing. Yeah. So I want to be designing a sales advert for one of my mentor, or let me say my brother. So what I just need to do is you click on it. Once you click on it, it will load the advert. Just close any advertisements. Close them. So just click on edit. You click on edit. So once you click on edit, it will show you this stuff. So can you see now? It have 5 scenes. This scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. So what we need to do now is to edit them by scene by scene. Just click on this 3 dotted. This 3 dots. Just click on it. It will show you edit, duplicate, view, or delete. Maybe you want to delete it, you can delete it. Maybe you don't like it, you don't like the way it look like. You can delete it and say, no, I don't want this. I don't want something like this. I want something special. I'm a special someone. and maybe you want to view it, you know, you want to look at how it look and stuff like that. Or probably you say, wow, I love this chain, I want to duplicate it. You can duplicate it. And if you want to edit, but for the purpose of this training, we'll be clicking on editing. Just click on edit. Now let's take it to this place. Now what we need to do presently is that I'll just change this chain, you know, SEO and stuff like that. So let me just click on it, click on this name, and you will edit it. Let us remember I want to use tutor word. That is the website of my Oga. Can you tell me tutor word? I will click on OK, and I'll click on this group. I will double click tutor word. Tutor word. So the first thing is that I want this thing to be somehow tiny, and I will just carry this one to this place, and I want this thing to be tiny again. I will carry it just drag it under it. Yeah, we make it smaller. Here is, yeah, I think this is looking good. So tutor word, we drag this one back again. You can just drag it a little bit, drag it. That's the benefit of using mouse. You can just drag this one up, and just drag that. Just drag it. Why you just drag it to this place? But you yeah, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. So now you bring this one back here again. If you want to edit it, you double tap on it. SEO. You can just I can write the name completely. You tell me, good. Tutors, I can write tutors word group. Tutors word group. Click on it again. See how it look like. So I'm gonna reduce it now. I'm gonna reduce it. Yeah, it's looking perfect now. So let me drag it down to this place. Yeah, tutors word groups. Should I name it tutors word or okay? Let me click on this place. The best promoter, or the best place to promote your market, your product. Lord, I lady. Let me think of what I want to write. I'll just say your business success is our joy. Your business success is our joy. Wow. Yes, it's looking good. Tutors word. Yes, your business success is our joy. okay like this. It's okay like this. Your business success is our joy. So once you edit it like this, maybe if you are satisfied with this, if you're satisfied with that, you can, next thing you can just do, you can change all these things. You don't want them, well, let's leave them there. Just let's leave them there. They are good, pretty cool. So you just come here, click on save. You see a save option here, click on it. You ask it at which level do you want to save it, original. You said yes, I love original. Now you click on close this advert. That is how they used to do. Close it, close the advert. So we have done with that number one. Let's go to number two now. Oh, let me drag my stuff here. Let's go to number two. Click on edit. Now this is number two. I still need to change this stuff. Okay, let me edit it. Let me take my let me edit it. So let me start from here. Okay, let me just click. Okay, let me still leave that one. Let me come to this about us. I have a written word. Let I've copied. Delete it. Yeah. This have you seen any business I don't know that the letter what I wrote is too much. Even if you have 500 business, if you don't know how to sell, all will shut down. That is why you need to get so that we can help you sell your product. And this thing is not too much like this. This is too much. Let me this is too much. Let me reduce it. Have you ever seen any business? Have you ever seen any business shut down or lay off workers? Now this is what I use. Have you ever seen any business shut down or lay off workers because they sell too much? That is why you need to get in touch with us so that we can help you on how to sell your product to anyone. So you click on OK, click on this OK like this. I think this word is also too much. I think I need to edit it again because it said okay, I know what to do. So let me just to get in touch with us. Get in touch with us so that just type yeah, I think this is okay like this. Let me go and preview again. So I click on here. Wow, I still love this one. It's somehow good. So I will just drag this one a little bit. and I will drag this one. I think there's need for us to have a little space between them. Yeah. This is pretty cool. So let me edit this place. So I made a mistake of deleting the tutor or the letter here. So if let's assume I want to write a stuff. I want to write. Let's assume I just click on this add text and I'll write tutor word. Tutors. So this is the front. No, I don't like this front. Let me change the size. Let me change the color to white. Let me look at this front. The front is, I think, okay. Let me change this front to, okay. Let me look at this front. Sang. So let me look at this front. The front. So you can change it to any stuff here. Yeah, this is the front here. Can you see? And you can change the color to white. And you can change the size. You can reduce the size here. You can just let me just carry this one now to this place. Tutors word. So let us me I want to reduce this size. You can just drag it a little bit. Can you see? It's now click on this one. Tutors word. Double click. Tutors words. Tutors words group, or I think I write tutors words group. I don't know. Maybe I made a mistake. Reduce this right. Yeah, it's even more better. Drag it to this place. Can even reduce the size a little bit. Drag it to this place. Yeah, this is looking pretty cool. I even love this one, and the other one I did. It's pretty cool now. Now once we're done with this, click on save. I think that's the only thing we're gonna do here. Let me look at the size. Probably. Okay, like this. Let's move on. Well, you click on original. I hope you guys are enjoying this training. So without wasting much of our time, I will be rushing now presently. So what do we do? Let's edit this. Click on the third scene. Edit it. Now firstly we need to just type let me double click web design. This one is web design. Web design. Don't waste time again. This one is copywriting. Copywriting. Copywriter. Copywriting. Writing. Copywriting. I don't know, maybe this writing is correct. Yeah, it's correct. Correct. Digital content creation. Digital content creation. We are marketer. That's what we do. We are a group of people. We market for people. We teach them how to sell their product. Marketer. Let me say product marketer. Now the last one, which is what do we do again? Business advisor. We give people how to go about their business. Business advisor. Advisor. I hope you guys are following. Oh, let me just let me double click. I've deleted it again. Oh god. Okay, let me use this one as tutors word group. I'll go and share. I'll go and word group. So let me write. I want to write another one again. Tutors. I don't know why I'm even deleting this stuff. Tutors. Now we just need to come and change the font size. And I think we're using this stuff, and the color we're using is white, so we're always too much of our time. No, it's not the front. Let me check this front of this stuff. All this some black. Why this one is no wonder. And you come here, reduce the size, and just take it to this place. No, I need to remove this J of 18. I don't want you. I just reduce the size a little bit. Now we click on this one. This side is still more big. So yeah, it's looking pretty now. Who is rotating it? It's looking like this. Let me just copy this one, and I will reduce the size here. Because what good. We save it again. Original. Now click on the fourth one again. Click on edit. So you just come here for more information on your website. Let's click on this website, tutorswordonline.com. Tutors TUR tutorsword online.com. tutorswordonline.com. Let me check tutorswordonline.com. So that ọ̀gá mi ò ní wà ní Michael kí ló ṣe sí bíbá yìí. You can just make it big. Like I said, you can just increase it here. bring it to this place. And just double click tutors word online, tutors word group. Let me delete this J. I don't like it. Just word group. So save it and continue. We're going to the last stage now. Sorry, the last stage. Oh, click on this, click on edit, contact us. Yeah, you just need to, what's the number of this guy? Okay, 090, you can just say +234. Okay, H1 081 61. That is a mistake, but it's now this one H4 9949 081 61 84 9949. So you click on it, click on OK. Address. Okay, let me pause this video. So I've called him. He said he did not, there's no need of putting his address, so I'll just leave it. I think I need to leave it. Let me check. Or let me just put my address. No, it says he did not want, so let me leave it. Sir, mo ti wọ̀ sir. Mi ti kúrò lé sir. Mi ti kúrò lé sir, but mò ń bọ̀ báyìí sir. Ẹ má wọrí sir, mò ń bọ̀ sir. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sir, bẹ́ẹ̀ sir.
Ẹ má pẹ̀ ṣáájú pé mo fẹ́ jáde.
Ok, mo ti gbọ́, ok, mo ti tọ́ni.
Ẹ sì.
Though I don't really know the address, but let me just put tutors word at gmail.com. .com. Word at gmail. At gmail. Tutorsword at gmail.com. Tutorsword at gmail.com. So click on OK. I want to click on. I'm trying to click on this icon. So you just click on. Just type Tutor's word. Tutor's word. Try this one again. Click on it. Tutor's word. Tutor's word group. Click on it again. So you drag this one to this place, and you do it. You also drag this one to this place, and you do this. Drag it again. Yeah, you leave it like that. And it's like this. I've called him, and when I called him to ask for his address, he said he doesn't need. So, and unfortunately, I just leave it like that. Yeah, so that is all. Thank you. So after this, now you just save it. Save it as original. Now your stuff is done. We are done with it now. This app, one of the things I don't like this app with is that they will always show you adverts, and that's the way they make money. Advert close. Oh my god. So let me just close it. But I love the app. So it's saving. So let's wait for it to load. So after all this thing now, what you just need to do is just to click on next. Maybe you want to add another image or another picture or another thing, you can click on that plus. Why all this message now? So if you want to add another stuff, you can click on this plus over here, and maybe you want to save it like that, you can just click on next. Now the question is that, do you want to save it with default editor or you want to use new editor? You may click on new because I use new, so you can click on new or default, anyone you wish. Both of them are good. No, this is the preview. Let me review this voice. This is the preview. This is how it will look like. But if you look at it, you will see that there is a particular ad here that show marketing video maker. You just click on the ad. You will click on it. Now if you ask you that if you want to remove this watermark, you can only remove it once in a day. So which means if I want to do another video again today, I will need to there's no how. The watermark will be there. Because if you note, you will only get one watermark remover per day. Which means any video I want to do today again, the watermark will be there, whether I like it or not. So I will just click on watch video ad. For them to remove the watermark, I need to watch this video ad. And all this thing is just the method of advertising. They want, so I can close it like this. Now the watermark is gone. And if you don't like this song, maybe you can come here and change the song. Maybe you don't like. You can come here, maybe you don't like the music, the background music. Maybe you don't like it. You can change it over here. You can click on music. But for me, I like it, so there's nothing. If you want to add frame, maybe you want to add frame to it. You want it to look like this. You want it to look like this. But I don't like this frame. I don't like it. Maybe you want it to look like this. And I think this one is somehow good. Or what do you think? I don't like this. It has covered myself. I don't like it. So let me just. I don't like this frame. So let me just leave it as none. I don't like the frame. So guys, what next? I hope you guys will be thinking about what next now. Just click on save. You ask, do you want to save in full HD or IHD or SD video default? And let's say, okay, let me just click on full HD. And what next? Your video is exporting. So let me pause this thing. Now it's loading. It's done. The project is done completely. Now is now if you want to compress it, maybe probably actually the megabyte is not much. It's 2.69 megabyte. But if you want to compress it, you can click on compress. But we are not compressing anything, so we'll just leave it like that. I'll just save it. I think this stuff I even save in my phone. It will automatically save on your phone folder. Just come and check it now. Let's go to my picture. And you say this is it. This is what I did yesterday. So why all this thing? So you can check, you can play it here. You can preview what you did. But let me use video player to play it. Can you see? Can you see? Why all this thing? Why is it? I thought I was surprised. Let me replay it again. So it was all this message that was. So that is how you can create selling process. So that is how you can create your own video sales advert rather, without wasting too much of time, and it will help you a lot. So my dear brothers, bye. I'm very, very happy for participating in this training. God bless you. If you have any question, you can put them across to me. My name is Adedapo Michael Sunday. I love you so much and I want you to succeed in life, and that is why I've been putting all my effort to make sure that everyone around me gets succeed in life, because I have passed through a lot of pain. I have suffered a lot. I know how it is to pass through a lot of pain, and I don't want every one of you to be in one situation, one suffering or the other. I was once a beggar, begging around the road, looking at how to get money. After that, I did a lot of things, doing a bricklaying work just to get money. But I find out that all these things are not easy. But immediately I come to Christ. I come to Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ transformed everything around totally. My life got changed. So, and that is why I made up my mind. I said I want to eradicate poverty from my country. So the only thing I can do is to teach you my skill, my marketable skill that can help you in life. So I will see you at the top. Bye. God bless you. Love you so much.